Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really cool leaf blower. So here it is right here. It is by a company called Supazo, and you're going to get a ton of parts and pieces. So first off, naturally, you're going to get a little user manual. We're going to go over all the features right here in this video. You are also going to get a nice little shoulder strap. So if you do want to strap this on, make it a little bit easier to utilize, you can use this. It's pretty lightweight, so I don't ever really utilize this, but it does come with it, which is a nice feature. Now you are going to get two batteries. Both of them are 21 volt max 4AH batteries, so you're going to have plenty of battery time. Each battery will run about 30 to 60 minutes, depending on the setting that you are utilizing on the leaf blower itself. Now, in addition to that, you are going to get a pair of safety goggles, so that way you can keep all the debris out of your eyes, which is absolutely perfect. And then as you can see, here is the leaf blower itself. So you're going to have two different attachments. You're going to have kind of like this skinnier one here. This is great for getting stubborn stuff. So like when you have a big pile of leaves, or if you have pine needles like I get a lot of, it kind of funnels that air at a wider point, but then you also have the kind of just typical tube one. This thing, like I mentioned, has 3 different speeds. On the maximum speed, it can do 190 miles per hour, which is absolutely great. And it's utilizing that 28,000 RPM motor. So nice and powerful. The attachments are very easy. Just simply slide them on, press a little button, and pull off. So very, very easy to utilize. You can also remove the bottom part. If you ever need to do that, simply also pull up on the tab on the bottom and slide off. So if you want to make it nice and compact for storage, you can do that. Very, very easy to utilize and assemble. Very well balanced in the hand. So you have the handle on the top here. Your thumb will easily be able to hit the power button, and then you're going to have the fan button here next to that. That's what's going to be able to do the different cycle modes as far as how much air is coming out. And the reason the battery life is different is because of those different modes. So obviously if you have it on that turbo mode, you're gonna get closer to that 30 minutes. But if you have it on the lowest mode, you're gonna get closer to that 60 minutes. The battery slides right here on the bottom. So just simply push down and pull up, and you're easy to go as far as removing the battery. And then you'll notice on the battery itself, you can simply press the power button. You're gonna see 4 little LED lights. It's gonna tell you how much battery life you have. But if one battery is not enough to get your whole job done, that's why they include 2 batteries. And then as far as charging these, they just plug into the little charger. Very, very easy to use. Slide them in place and you're good to go as far as recharging them up. The whole unit with the battery is about between 4 to 5 pounds. So like I said, super lightweight, super easy to utilize. Your arm's not gonna get sore or fatigued or anything like that. But overall, if you're looking for a great leaf blower that's all cordless, battery powered, this one's totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.